In today's volatile economic climate, the phrase portfolio diversification isn't just a buzzword, it's a necessity. We're here to talk about how a precious metals IRA can play a crucial role in that diversification, offering a potential hedge against market volatility and economic uncertainty. Many investors rely solely on traditional assets like stocks and bonds. But what happens when these markets take a downturn? That's where precious metals come in. Gold, silver, platinum, and palladium have historically maintained their value, and often, they even appreciate during economic turmoil. Think of it this way: your portfolio is a garden. You wouldn't plant only one type of flower, would you? You'd want a variety to ensure that even if one type withers, the others continue to thrive. Precious metals act as these resilient flowers in your investment garden. A precious metals IRA allows you to hold physical precious metals within a tax-advantaged retirement account. This means you're not just buying paper assets, you're owning tangible gold bars, coins, and other IRS-approved precious metals. Let's break down why this is important. Firstly, precious metals can act as an inflation hedge. When the value of fiat currencies decreases, the price of precious metals often rises, preserving your purchasing power. Secondly, they offer a degree of stability. Unlike stocks, which can fluctuate wildly based on market sentiment, precious metals tend to hold their value over the long term. Thirdly, they provide a sense of security. In times of geopolitical instability or economic crisis, precious metals can act as a safe haven, offering a tangible asset that isn't tied to any single government or financial institution. Now, how does a precious metals IRA work? It's a self-directed IRA, meaning you have control over the assets within it. You'll work with a custodian who specializes in precious metals IRAs. They will facilitate the purchase and storage of your metals in an IRS-approved depository. It's crucial to understand that not all precious metals are eligible for an IRA. The IRS has specific rules regarding purity and form. That's why working with a reputable custodian is so important. They'll ensure you're investing in compliant assets. Before diving in, consider your investment goals and risk tolerance. Precious metals, like any investment, carry risk. Market prices can fluctuate, and there are storage and custodian fees to consider. However, for many, the potential benefits of adding precious metals to their retirement portfolio outweigh the risks. They offer a unique opportunity to diversify and potentially protect your wealth. In conclusion, a precious metals IRA can be a valuable tool for achieving robust portfolio diversification. It allows you to add tangible assets to your retirement savings, potentially safeguarding against inflation and market volatility. Remember to do your research, consult with financial professionals, and choose a reputable custodian. Ready to explore your gold IRA options? Our top pick, Augusta Precious Metals, stands out for their exceptional service and reliability. They require a minimum investment of $50,000. To learn more, visit at easygoldinvestments.com or call 1-855-470-4636. To see a comprehensive list of the top gold IRA companies for 2025, including companies with lower required investment minimums, visit http://www.givemethegold.com. Take the first step towards securing your financial future today.
Here is GiveMeTheGold.com's recommendations of the best gold IRA companies to do business with. These companies have been vetted on their reputation and reliability.
Hi, I'm Amelia from GiveMeTheGold.com. Picking the right precious metals company is important, so today we will go over 3 highly recommended companies from GiveMeTheGold.com. Our panel of experts have picked these companies based on reliability, customer service, and other factors. You can also see our complete list of companies and more information by going to our website at GiveMeTheGold.com. Our first recommendation is Augusta Precious Metals. They have been a trusted name in the precious metals industry since 2012. They are the top recommendation for accounts with $50,000 or more to invest. They combine their top education and white glove services to make it an all-around excellent experience for their investors. To get more information, visit easygoldinvestments.com or call them at 1-855-470-4636. Our next recommended company is GoldenCrest Metals. They're a standout choice for investors seeking to start the Gold IRA journey with a minimum initial investment of only $10,000. GoldenCrest Metals has a customer's first approach and great guidance by their professionals to help you get started. Visit their website at goldencrest.info. Our last recommended company for today is Colonial Metals Group. Colonial Metals Group stands out for its competitive promotional offers designed to give investors added value when starting a gold IRA. They provide access to exclusive deals on precious metals and other perks for first-time clients, including a free safe. To get more information, visit freegoldkitnow.com. You can see all these links for your convenience underneath the video in the description. To see the extended list of all the company, visit the website at givemethegold.com. I'm Amelia from givemethegold.com. Wishing you the best in your financial endeavors, and thanks so much for watching.